September 11th, 1836, a failed Missouri prophecy. Joseph Smith's 1834 revelation created a specific and testable expectation that displaced saints would soon reclaim Jackson County.
Be in readiness to move into Jackson County in 2 years from the 11th of September next, which is the appointed time for the redemption of Zion.
The outcome was ill-fated because September 11th, 1836 passed without Zion's redemption, without a return to Jackson County, and without the promised restoration of the saints' Missouri inheritance. Instead of fulfillment, the promise became another postponed prophetic horizon, requiring later explanation, while the practical reality remained exile, disappointment, and a failed timetable attached to divine certainty.